आप बात सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen? आप बात सुनते क्यों नहीं हो? Why don't you listen? उसे कहाँ जाना चाहिए था? Where should he have gone? Where should he have gone? हम क्यों और कहाँ रुक सकते हैं? Why and where can we stop? Why and where can we stop? अमान क्यों अलग रास्ते से गया? Why did Aman go on a different path? Why did Aman go on a different path? रिया कहाँ जाने वाली है? Where is Riya going to go? रिया कहाँ जाने वाली है? Where is Riya going to go? आप उससे क्यों बात नहीं करते हो? Why don't you talk to him? Why don't you talk to him? हमें जल्दबाजी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need for us to hurry. There is no need for us to hurry. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है. There are no spoons on the table. मेज पर कोई चम्मच नहीं है. There are no spoons on the table. लड़के की आंखों में डर था. There was fear in boy's eyes. There was fear in boy's eyes. अब कोई समस्या नहीं होगी. There will not be any more problems. There will not be any more problems. मेरे बैग में बहुत सारे पैसे थे. There was a lot of money in my bag. There was a lot of money in my bag. दर्द के बिना कोई जीत नहीं है. There is no victory without pain. There is no victory without pain. क्या यहाँ पास में कोई क्रिकेट स्टेडियम है? Is there a cricket stadium near here? Is there a cricket stadium near here? मुझे जरूर वहाँ पहुँचना चाहिए. I must reach there. I must reach there. हमें एक बार कोशिश जरूर करनी चाहिए. We must try once. We must try once. मुझे उसे जरूर याद करना चाहिए. I must remember him. I must remember him. आपको नाश्ता जरूर करनी चाहिए. You must have breakfast. You must have breakfast. क्या आपको मिठाई खाना पसंद है? Do you like to eat sweets? Do you like to eat sweets? मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है. My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. लगता है मेरा पेट खराब हो गया है. Looks like my stomach is upset. Looks like my stomach is upset. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. तुम्हें चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. You should not flatter. You should not flatter. अब कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. यह सब यहाँ नहीं चलेगा. This will not work here. This will not work here. यही तो वह कर रही थी. That's what she was doing. That's what she was doing. मेरी ओर आओ. Come towards me. मेरी ओर आओ. Come towards me. मैं तुमसे पक गया हूँ. I am tired of you. मैं तुमसे पक गया हूँ. I am tired of you. तुमने मुझे जानबूझकर दुख पहुंचाया। You hurt me knowingly. You hurt me knowingly. मैं सोचने लगा। I began to think. मैं सोचने लगा। I began to think. जितना गाली देना है दे लो। Abuse as much as you want. Abuse as much as you want. क्या जरूरत थी इसकी? What was the need of it? What was the need of it? आप बिल्कुल ठीक समय पर आए हैं। You have come just in time. You have come just in time. खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो। Close your mouth while eating. Close your mouth while eating. इतने चिड़चिड़े मत हो। Don't be so grumpy. इतने चिड़चिड़े मत हो। Don't be so grumpy. मुझे तुमसे ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect that from you. I didn't expect that from you. अब मैं ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूँगा। Now I will not make such mistake again. Now I will not make such mistake again. आपको क्या हो रहा है? What's happening to you? आपको क्या हो रहा है? What's happening to you? उसे उसका हक मिलना चाहिए। He should get his right. He should get his right. सच छुपा कर भी नहीं छुपाया जा सकता। The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. The truth can't be hidden even by hiding. हम बिल्कुल नहीं सुनेंगे। We won't listen at all. We won't listen at all. मुझे बोलने का एक मौका तो दीजिए। At least give me a chance to speak. At least give me a chance to speak. बोर्ड में लिखा हुआ है, कृपया शांति बनाए रखें। It is written on the board, please maintain peace. It is written on the board, please maintain peace. आपको यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था। You shouldn't have come here. You shouldn't have come here. खाना बासी हो गया था। The food had become stale. The food had become stale. मैंने भी सभी को अपना दोस्त बना लिया। I also made everyone my friend. I also made everyone my friend. मेरे पास सारे नोट्स भी होते हैं। I also have all the notes. I also have all the notes. वह अपने सारे फैसले खुद ही करता है। He makes all his own decision. He makes all his own decision. तुम हमेशा मुझे इंतजार करवाते हो। You always make me wait. You always make me wait. Earring मेरे बालों में फंस गया। Earrings got stuck in my hair. Earrings got stuck in my hair. वह घर का काम काज कर रही थी। She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. अपना तौलिया बाहर डाल दो। Hang out your towel outside. Hang out your towel outside. तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? नल किसने खुला छोड़ दिया? Who left the tap open? Who left the tap open? आज मुझे बहुत काम है। Today I have a lot of work. Today I have a lot of work. मैंने अभी अभी अपना चेहरा धोया है। I have just washed my face. I have just washed my face. उसका बर्ताव कुछ अलग है। His behavior is different. His behavior is different. मैं यहाँ अकेले नहीं जा सकती. I can't go here alone. I can't go here alone. मैं तुम पर कैसे यकीन कर सकती हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? उसे किसी की भावनाओं की कद्र ही नहीं है. He doesn't care about anyone's feelings. He doesn't care about anyone's feelings. वह सबसे ऐसे ही बात करती है. She talks like this to everyone. She talks like this to everyone. पैदल चलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. It is very difficult to walk. It is very difficult to walk. उसने यह फ़ोन ऑनलाइन खरीदा. She bought this phone online. She bought this phone online. उसका बर्ताव कुछ अलग लग रहा है. His behavior seems a bit different. His behavior seems a bit different. तुमने तो कहा था तुम्हारे पास एक भी पैसे नहीं है. You said that you don't have a single rupee. You said that you don't have a single penny. इतना घमंड करना अच्छा नहीं है. It is not good to be so proud. It is not good to be so proud. बस तुम निराश मत होना. Just don't be discouraged. Just don't be discouraged. मैं इंटरव्यू दे देकर थक गया हूँ. I am tired of giving interviews. I am tired of giving interviews. मैं बहुत दिनों से नौकरी की तलाश में हूँ. I have been looking for a job for a long time. I have been looking for a job for a long time. उसका पागलपन बढ़ता जा रहा है. His madness is increasing. His madness is increasing. उसे छोटी-छोटी बातों में गुस्सा आता है. He gets angry in small things. He gets angry in small things. वह कुछ तो छुपा रहा है. He is hiding something. वह कुछ तो छुपा रहा है. He is hiding something. बिजली पूरे 2 घंटे के बाद आई. Electricity came after 2 full hours. Electricity came after 2 full hours. तुम बहुत ही पत्थर दिल हो. You are very stone-hearted. You are very stone-hearted. मेरे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है. My hands are itching. मेरे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है. My hands are itching. क्या आपने मेरा चार्जर देखा है? Have you seen my charger? Have you seen my charger? हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है. We have very little time. We have very little time. और ना ही हम वक्त को रोक सकते हैं. Nor can we stop time. Nor can we stop time. उसे तो वक्त की परवाह ही नहीं है. She doesn't care about time. She doesn't care about time. हर चीज में किस्मत को दोष नहीं देना चाहिए. Luck should not be blamed for everything. Luck should not be blamed for everything. जब तक मैं ना बोलूं बाहर मत आना. Don't come out until I told. Don't come out until I told. तुम यहाँ क्यों आ गए? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मेरी फ्लाइट कल सुबह 10 बजे की है. My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. तुम उसे खबर नहीं करोगे. You will not inform him. You will not inform him. अब जो होगा उसके जिम्मेदार तुम होगे. You will be responsible for what happens now. You will be responsible for what happens now. यह अच्छी आदत नहीं है, सुधार लो. This is not a good habit, fix it. This is not a good habit, fix it. पैसे तो सभी के पास होते हैं. Everyone has money. Everyone has money. इंसान का दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए. Man's heart should be big. Man's heart should be big. और मेरा दिल तो बहुत बड़ा है. And my heart is very big. And my heart is very big. तुम्हारी जितनी प्रशंसा करूं कम है. I can't praise you enough. I can't praise you enough. पैसे पेड़ में नहीं फलते. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money doesn't grow on trees. यह स्मार्ट वॉच है. आजकल सभी पहनते हैं. This is a smart watch. Nowadays everyone wears. This is a smart watch. Nowadays everyone wears. तुम्हारी यह नई घड़ी है क्या? Is this your new watch? Is this your new watch? क्या आपके क्षेत्र में भी ऐसा होता है? Does this happen to your area too? Does this happen to your area too? कोई अगर मगर नहीं, मुझे उससे मिलना है. No ifs and buts, I want to meet him. No ifs and buts, I want to meet him. तुम सच में कितने अच्छे हो. You are really so nice. तुम सच में कितने अच्छे हो. You are really so nice. उससे अपना हिसाब बराबर कर लो. Settle your account with him. Settle your account with him. मुझे अब कहीं नहीं जाना. I don't want to go anywhere now. I don't want to go anywhere now. कल से मेरा मूड ठीक नहीं है. I am not in a good mood since yesterday. I am not in a good mood since yesterday. सुबह के समय ज़्यादा सर्दी लगती है. It feels more cold in the morning. It feels more cold in the morning. तुम अब नए तरीके खोज लो. You find new ways now. You find new ways now. आप उसे इस बार अच्छे से समझा देना. You explain it to him properly this time. You explain it to him properly this time. जिंदगी में कभी किसी को धोखा मत देना. Never cheat anyone in life. Never cheat anyone in life. आज मैंने उसकी बहुत तारीफ की. Today I praised him a lot. Today I praised him a lot. उसे अपने हिसाब से जीने दो. Let him live his life as she wants. Let him live his life as she wants. कृपया आप मुझे यहाँ पहुँचा दे. Please get me here. Please get me here. तुम अपने माता पिता से झगड़ा करते हो. You quarrel with your parents. You quarrel with your parents. यह बहुत ही बुरी आदत है. This is a very bad habit. This is a very bad habit. मैं किसी को अपनी तनख्वाह नहीं बताता. I don't tell my salary to anyone. I don't tell my salary to anyone. आज रविवार है, छुट्टी का दिन. Today is Sunday, the day off. Today is Sunday, the day off. मेरी फ्लाइट कल सुबह 10 बजे की है. My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. My flight is tomorrow at 10 a.m. उसे बुखार जैसा महसूस हो रहा है. She is feeling like fever. She is feeling like fever. उसके गले में बहुत दर्द है. She has a sore throat. She has a sore throat. बिजली बहुत देर से नहीं है. Lightning is not too late. Lightning is not too late. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong. हम इकट्ठे कहीं घूमने चलेंगे. We will go for a walk together. We will go for a walk together. चलो अंदर चलकर देखते हैं क्या है. Let's go inside and see what's there. Let's go inside and see what's there. कहते हैं कि इस घर में भूत है. It is said that there is a ghost in this house. It is said that there is a ghost in this house. मैं तुम्हारी बात नहीं सुनूंगा. I will not listen to you. I will not listen to you. मैं उससे नहीं लड़ना चाहती हूँ. I don't want to fight with him. I don't want to fight with him. सभी लोग उससे बातें करना चाहते हैं. Everyone wants to talk to him. Everyone wants to talk to him. तुम्हें इतना गुस्सा किस बात का है? What are you so angry about? What are you so angry about? हम दोनों हमेशा दोस्त रहेंगे. We will always be friends. We will always be friends. यह चाय किसने बनाई? Who made this tea? यह चाय किसने बनाई? Who made this tea? चाय बहुत अच्छी थी. The tea was very good. चाय बहुत अच्छी थी. The tea was very good. तुम फोन में क्या देखते रहते हो? What do you keep watching on the phone? What do you keep watching on the phone? मैं कुछ भी देखूं तुम्हें उससे क्या? What if I see anything to you? What if I see anything to you? मैं तो तुम्हें नहीं टोकती हूँ. I do not interrupt you. I do not interrupt you. तुम भी मेरे फोन से दूर रहो. You too stay away from my phone. You too stay away from my phone. तुम क्यों हंस रही हो? Why are you laughing? तुम क्यों हंस रही हो? Why are you laughing? मुझे भी बताओ, मैं भी हंस लूंगी. Tell me too, I laugh too. Tell me too, I laugh too. मुझे लंबी चौड़ी बातें पसंद नहीं है. I don't like long talks. I don't like long talks. जो बोलना है सीधे सीधे बोलो. Whatever you want to say it directly. Whatever you want to say it directly. तुम बात को इतना क्यों घुमा रहे हो? Why are you twisting things so much? Why are you twisting things so much? आज मुझे पार्टी में जाना है. Today I have to go to the party. Today I have to go to the party. जाओ और देखो दरवाजे पर कौन है. Go and see who's at the door. Go and see who's at the door. बाहर तो कोई अनजान शख्स खड़ा है. Some unknown person is standing outside. Some unknown person is standing outside. मैं उसे जानती तक नहीं हूँ. I don't even know him. I don't even know him. मैं जानबूझकर कुछ नहीं करती। I don't do anything intentionally. I don't do anything intentionally. पिछली बार तो मेरा फ़ोन चोरी हो गया था। Last time my phone was stolen. Last time my phone was stolen. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत है। I have a habit of talking too much. I have a habit of talking too much. लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा बोलना भी अच्छा नहीं होता। But it is not good to talk too much. But it is not good to talk too much. हमारे समय में ऐसा नहीं होता था। This did not happen in our time. This did not happen in our time. मैंने पैसे से लोगों को बदलते हुए देखा है। I have seen money changing people. I have seen money changing people. चलो सब कहीं साथ घूमने की योजना बनाते हैं। Let's all plan a trip together. Let's all plan a trip together. मुझे लेट हो रहा है, अब मैं चलती हूँ। I am getting late, I will go now. I am getting late, I will go now. तुम्हारी तैयारियां कैसी चल रही है? How are your preparation going? How are your preparations going? क्या कोई खास वजह है? Is there any specific reason? Is there any specific reason? मेरी परीक्षाएं अगले महीने से शुरू होने वाली है। My exams are going to start from next month. My exams are going to start from next month. मैं अब आपके साथ कुछ दिन रहूंगा। I will stay with you for a few days now. I will stay with you for a few days now. उसके लिए भी कुछ सोच लो। Think something for him too. Think something for him too. मुझे हिम्मत से काम लेने दो। Let me muster courage. Let me muster courage. तुम्हें चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. तुम किताब को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो। You read the book thoroughly. You read the book thoroughly. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. देखो अब क्या होता है। See what comes next. See what comes next. ऐसा होने दो। Let it pass now. ऐसा होने दो। Let it pass now. यह बहाना यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। This excuse will not stand here. This excuse will not stand here. वे मुझे क्या समझा रहे हैं? What are they explaining me? What are they explaining me? ट्रेन समय पर स्टेशन पहुंच चुकी है। Train has reached the station on time. Train has reached the station on time. हम 2020 से तैयारी कर रहे हैं। We have been preparing since 2020. We have been preparing since 2020. वो आपसे एक बार मिलना चाहेगी। She would like to meet you once. She would like to meet you once. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. जितना गाली देना है दे लो। Abuse as much as you want. Abuse as much as you want. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं जो तुम सीख नहीं सकते। There is nothing you can't learn. There is nothing you can't learn. तुम बुरा क्यों मान रहे हो? Why are you getting offended? Why are you getting offended? अब मैं तुम्हें कैसे यकीन दिलाऊं? How do I make you believe now? How do I make you believe now? मैं तुमसे छुपाना नहीं चाहती. I don't want to hide from you. I don't want to hide from you. अपने माँ से अच्छे से पेश आओ. Be nice to your mother. Be nice to your mother. ऐसा मत करो, यह अच्छी बात नहीं है. Don't do that, it's not nice. Don't do that, it's not nice. उसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि यह मैं हूँ. He won't even know it's me. मैं कार खरीदने की सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking of buying a new car. I am thinking of buying a new car. तुम कहना क्या चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust on me?